just a throwback kid from the 90s. I start my ABCs with the YZ. I paint with different colors and never in the lines. There isn't any other. I am the prototype. TikTok waste.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tessie and this is kind of like my space, and if you're just joining me for the first time, thank you guys so much and welcome to my channel. Now guys, in this video I am going to be showing you how to repair a bald closure into a very sleek one, and by using just makeup. I am super sorry guys for not posting videos for the past 1 week. I have been really busy and a little bit under the weather, but I thank God that I am back and better. So now guys, I'm not going to take much of your time because you already know my wig making method, and if you haven't seen me making any wig before, I have got a couple of wig making videos on my channel. You can go check it out or just click the link below and you can check that out. All right guys, so I'm just going to skip to the end of this wig making, just closing it up at the top there, and I'm just going to tie that down, and then we can jump right into the repairing the bald closure. As you can see, it's really bald and it's really tacky, but we're just going to repair that by using just makeup. And in this video I am going to be using my Kiko eyeliner in the shade dark black because the wig is actually dark, the closure is actually dark. So you're just going to use the closest thing to the closure and you're just going to fill it in. Just continue filling it in until it be it's just like an illusion, like you make it look like this, it's got hair there. So you're just going to keep filling it in and then brushing it out just like that. Really simple. And guys, you can use whatever is closest to the color of your closure. In this case, my closure is kind of like black, so I use this black one from Kiko. But if you've got a brown hair or gold hair, whatever, you can use eyeshadow, you can use whatever color that is closest to the closure that you are repairing. As you can see, it's beginning to come alive, and as you're doing it, you have to keep taking hairs from the other part and then closing it up, making it a bit more real. So you're just going to go ahead and do all of that and keep watching it, keep looking at it, keep checking the parts that are still empty, and then you keep filling them in just like so. And yeah, as you can see, it's coming to life, it's forming, and that's what we want. Just make it look full, that's all. So I'm just going to go ahead to pat it to see where else needs more closure, more repair. As you can see, that part is actually torn, so I'm just going to grab a little hair from the other side and comb it right on top of the torn part of the closure. This closure is terribly bad, but I just needed to show you guys how to repair a terrible, disastrous closure, and that's why I'm making this wig today. So yeah, you're just going to go ahead to fill it in more, and as you're doing it, if you feel that the pencil or the dark shades liner that you're using is not actually covering well, you can go ahead and use some powder makeup as well. Powder makeup gives you the best illusion on hair. So yeah, you can use some eyeshadow, some contour palette, whatever. Just use something that can give you that closest to real kind of look. Now I am done and I'm trying to just comb everything down, see where has still got space to be filled in, and as you can see, all of it is looking yum right now. So I'm just going to go ahead with my Wild Hot comb and just press everything down, slick them hair down, make it look all nice. I'm just going to do just that, and as you can see, there's actually the middle part is actually not really noticeable, so I would just use my LA Pro concealer and try to give it that high definition look. You know, I didn't want to put more because the closure is really not good. The scalp is dead, so I just put just a little bit. I don't want it to be more whitey, just a little bit brownish and cute. Yeah, as you can see, this is it. This is how to repair a very terrible bald closure, and this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope this video has helped you in some sort of ways. And if you haven't seen any of my videos before, guys, please, I'm gonna leave a link just at the end of this video. Click the link and it will take you right back to my channel so you can check out most or some of my videos. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, stay true to yourself, moisturize, and I will definitely see you in another video. Thank you. Bye.